Unraveling the Mystery, Wrapped in a Puzzle. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a particularly intriguing phrase, wrapped in a puzzle. Whether you're a language learner or simply a lover of words, this phrase offers a rich tapestry of meaning and usage that we're excited to unpack together. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this expression. Wrapped in a puzzle is a metaphorical expression that paints a vivid picture in the listener's or reader's mind. To be wrapped suggests being enveloped or covered, while a puzzle is something that is confusing or difficult to understand. When combined, the phrase typically describes a situation, object, or idea that is enigmatic and complex, requiring careful thought or analysis to understand. It's not just about being mysterious, it's about being intriguingly so, inviting curiosity and investigation. While the exact origins of wrapped in a puzzle might be as elusive as the phrase suggests, it's clear that its use is rooted in literary and conversational contexts to evoke a sense of mystery and complexity. This expression is often used to describe scenarios that are not straightforward or to characterize people or concepts that are difficult to decipher. It's a favorite among writers and speakers who wish to add a layer of intrigue to their narratives or explanations. To better understand how wrapped in a puzzle can be used, let's look at a few examples. 1. The ancient manuscript was wrapped in a puzzle, with symbols and languages that baffled the experts. 2. Here, the phrase describes a literal object, a manuscript, whose meaning or purpose is not immediately clear. 3. Her smile was wrapped in a puzzle, hinting at secrets she wasn't ready to share. 4. In this example, the expression is used to describe a person's ambiguous or mysterious behavior. 5. The detective found that the case was wrapped in a puzzle, with more questions arising at every turn. 6. Here, it's used to describe a situation, a detective case, that is complex and confusing, requiring significant effort to understand. For English language learners, incorporating expressions like wrapped in a puzzle into your vocabulary can enrich your conversational and writing skills, making your language more colorful and engaging. Here are a few tips. Practice by making up your own sentences or stories that could include the phrase. Listen for similar expressions in movies, books, or conversations to see how they are used in different contexts. Experiment with the phrase in different tenses and grammatical structures to fully grasp its versatility. We hope this exploration of wrapped in a puzzle has been as intriguing for you as it was for us. Expressions like this one are what make English a rich and endlessly fascinating language to learn and teach. Remember, the key to mastering such phrases lies in curiosity and practice. So don't shy away from wrapping your own speech in the wonderful puzzle of the English language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures with you in future videos.